Hello everyone, this is my Honda 50 Cub. It's a 1979 model C70E with a 72cc engine. Chassis, the plastic part which goes under the speedometer, right side cover, I think that's the battery cover, and that one the ignition switch cover or choke cover or whatever else, the weather shield or the leg shield, front rim, wheel and rim, and rear wheel and rim. That's the silencer. I don't know whether it's original or not. That's the Pakistani box, steel box or tin box. People used to have their Honda 50s to put some of the items, like small items, nut bolts or mobile phones or something like that. It's like a cell, I think. That's my zoom pent zoom. That's the silent compressor. I just got it and had to didn't purchase it from the market. I had to make it through old parts. So but I didn't make it myself. Had to ask some of the painter to make it for me. And that's the rear spoke, rear well, I don't know what to call it, but that's the piece where we put the rear wheel, and this is the front fork. I think this is the rear fork, I think. And the fender, these parts which hold this front fender on top of the bike on the wheel are broken, so I don't know how to get it fixed, but let's see. That's the tanki. People used to here in Pakistan, people used to put some luggage inside that thing, and this goes over this area, and on top of that weather shield. And what else? Yeah, that's the petrol tank. That's the handlebar. That's my spray gun. I'm gonna use to spray paint. And that's the heater to heat up the heating process of the color. What else? Well, right now what I'm trying to do is using this aerosol spray paint, black spray paint. I'm trying to do 3 to 5 coats on this on these rear shocks, and then I will try to apply this chrome paint on this black, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, or maybe few days later, or maybe a week later. Yeah, what I'm trying to do is do 3 to 5 coats of black and then the chrome paint to achieve as much as possible chrome effect. I will make another video later, so thank you for watching.